Hi, sir. I'm Ankur.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Fantastic. So this is just a mock interview which you will be doing, है ना? I think you have
Yes,
also given the CDAC interview earlier. Hello,
yes,
hello, hello.
yes, sir. You are audible.
Your voice is breaking somewhere.
Yes, yes, sir. Hello.
Ah, yeah. Hello,
Ankur,
hello.
your
Hello,
voice is
hello, sir.
breaking.
It is audible.
Now it's okay, but your voice is very low. Are you like far away
Very
from the
low.
mic?
Hello, sir. I'm audible.
Yes.
Now it's okay.
Uh,
Now it's
Continue.
fine. So I'm Omkar. So we'll just have a mock interview now, right?
Yes, sir.
You are
Yes.
comfortable, na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So have you given interview earlier for the CDAC?
Yes, sir. CDAC acts. Pune.
So what? So did you rejected that offer or like what happened?
So just tell me that they tell me that they have the location for Delhi.
Yeah.
So I just not comfortable to know there.
Okay. Okay. So basically, the hiring was for our project itself. I mean Delhi itself.
My profile was related to security. So
Uh,
the security related project they have that Delhi project, Delhi police
yeah.
project.
Yeah. Yeah. We have a project, data center project. There we have basically all the security components. Here at
Yes,
Delhi project
but
itself, I
now I
look
have a
after the
call from
firewall.
the CDAC Noida from.
Okay. Okay. So basically, I am Omka, and so I look after the firewall of Delhi project, the other
Yes,
project. Okay.
yes,
So the project was it was not the same project which we have. It was the other project, but related to same project itself. Okay.
yes.
Yeah. So let's start the mock interview.
Sir, one minute, sir, please.
Yeah, yeah.
Can I on my camera, sir, because I have my virtual interview on today, tomorrow of CDAC Noida. So
Sure,
I
sure,
can be comfortable to
Yes, you
sure,
can.
sure,
video.
sure, 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 sure. It's your platform. Whatever you want, you can do. है ना?
Yes,
It is sure, sure. Good. है ना?
Okay,
So
continue.
do you want me to also on the camera, or will I be okay with this? No?
if you are comfortable to share.
Okay, I'm in the room itself. That's why I'm not on. Okay, my voice is also
Okay,
okay, na?
okay, sir.
Hmm. So let's start first. So introduce yourself. But in introduction, I want to know about your 10th score, your 12th score, your engineering percentage. Why did you choose DITIS? And what are your future aspirations? As well as tell me about your uh, your two projects, or how many projects have you done? One or two in DITIS?
I mentioned in details
Yeah,
or
one project or
my
two
BT
project.
curriculum.
You have done one
Just one,
project, no?
one
Okay.
project during details.
So tell me about this one project and which subject you like the most and which subject you did not like the most and why. Okay, you can
Okay,
start.
sir. So first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I'm Ankur Potdar, recently graduated from Developer to College of Engineering and Technology with aggregate percentage of CGPA of 8.26, and I scored 87% in 10th and 68% in 12th science. Rather than this, I recently completed a PGCP course from Select Act with aggregate percentage of 78 because I have strong computer science background and passionate about the field and also have certain number of internships in the field. I choose the TISS to complete my cybersecurity track. I also have some experience in the field. I work as a junior security analyst trainee for Pune-based company and work on big government projects like PMC, Pune Municipal Corporation, with application security audit and network security audit, and use tools like Suite, WhatsApp, Nessus, Gitra, and Astra. And my vigilance project basically is based on AWS real-time threat detection prevention. Uh, and rather than this, I like subject most that is security, Linux and networking. I like Windows a little bit less to be. I am not comfortable to learn Linux administration, so I like this. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Acha, your project was, I think, indigenous desktop antivirus, right?
Ha, yes, sir.
So it uses basically hash comparison model.
Yes, sir. During
Hmm?
my internship,
So okay,
they have their
understood.
ongoing
So
project of antivirus.
what is rainbow table attack then?
Remote table attack, when there is a table of, it is basically applicable to WEP
Hmm?
and WPA1. And
Nee, repeat,
uh,
repeat, repeat. Be slow. Uh,
okay, sir.
hmm. Yeah, continue.
It is effective attack on WEP, which is wired equipment privacy, and WPA. These two are
Hmm.
vulnerable to run bootable attack. So this is we have to predict the hash because there are certain
Hmm.
continuously predictable hash in the table. So we can match the hash according to previous hash we have collected from table.
Yeah, fantastic. So rainbow table attack is basically an attack using an hash. है ना? We
Yes,
try to crack a password with the help of hash,
yes,
right? You have also
yes,
mentioned you have done Fortinet NSE 3 level certification. Okay,
yes,
so
sir.
you have a fair idea of firewalls.
Not that deep, but I have that. It means knowledge of it.
Okay, okay. So tell me about the types of firewall.
Types of firewall, application level firewall, and
Hmm?
host based, network based, anomaly based, signature based.
What are stateful and stateless firewall? How do they differ?
Instead, stateful firewall must- works with the state of firewall and also monitors the state. And according to that, it monitors the services. And stateless firewall didn't mention in state. It is the basic rules depend on rules we have created in there.
Okay, and what is like how does firewall differ from an ACL?
What it is, I don't.
A firewall versus ACL, like difference. If we have an ACL, then why do we use
Access
firewall?
control list versus firewall.
Right? Repeat, repeat.
ACL is for access control list now, or
Yeah,
different.
yeah, understood. Yeah, but why, if we have an ACL at router level
Yes,
itself, then why do we use firewall,
yes.
a separate device?
Firewall with a little bit intelligence rather than the ACL. ACL is just
With
match the rules we have created. The firewall
right?
itself mention the state of the things that we did not
And
mention in the.
okay, and
He
even the
also
firewall has the
it
features of
also
UTM,
yes
DLP,
sir, and it some firewall
antivirus, web
also
filter.
provide deep packet and inspection
Right,
also.
right, right. Nowadays we have a next generation firewall in the market also,
Yes, yes.
which scans. So tell me the flags which are in TCP. How many flags are there? And also name them and why they are used.
There there is six flag, Sin, Synac,
Hmm?
Ac, and
Hmm?
Pin Finac Ac. And Sin is for
Repeat, repeat,
synchronized,
repeat, repeat. Wait. Synac, AC, and
Fin Finac Ac.
Finac. Are you sure? Hmm?
Sin, no,
Take your
Sin,
time. Take your
Synac,
time. There
Sin,
is no
and
hurry.
Fin Finac
Hmm?
Fin.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Since
yes, sir.
Synac is okay. We have Fin. We have urgent push reset also.
Yes, sorry, sorry.
Be calm. Be calm. No issue. It's just a mock interview. Be calm. Okay.
Yes,
Urgent push and reset. What is the difference between urgent and push flag?
uh, urgent is like priority based. It processing a
Hmm?
prioritized first and
Hmm?
scheduled to
And
the process.
hmm?
And
Hmm?
rather than this is reset to reset the configurations of.
See, if there are 10 number of packets in that, I have one flag is urgent and one flag is push.
Uh,
What will be the procedure? Basic procedure.
Basic procedure is Basically, the priority given to the urgent flag, and it is defaultly scheduled. Second thing, whose flags are scheduled.
Mhm. Okay. And do you know about half scan and full scan?
Yes.
Half scan, full scan. In
No, sir.
network scanning, we have uh, half scan, full scan. You don't know TCP half scan, TCP full scan.
No, sir.
Hmm?
No, sir.
Okay, no issue. We have a half scan and full scan also. In basically full
Yes, sir.
scan, the TCP connection establishes. In half scan, it doesn't. It is basically a reconnaissance technique. Read about it, and it will be good. Also, tell me difference
Ah,
now between the fin and reset flag now. Like, what does fin flag do and what does the reset flag do?
pin will exit the TCP tunnel, and reset
Okay,
will
and
reset the tunneling.
then repeat. Fin, what fin will do?
Pin will finish the TCP connection you have created, means that it's going to tunneling connection handshake, and reset connection will reset the tunneling.
In which data loss is there?
Reset,
Fin or reset? Okay, and what is fin? Gracefully terminate the connection, and a reset is abruptly, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. And now tell me, like, you have read about the flags. What is an IP header size? Size of an IP header.
Which TCP or HTTP?
IP itself, IP protocol. IP header.
IP header is,
Hmm.
I think 30,
Hmm. Acha,
I
can you
think
tell me the
30.
32 IP header
Yes, yes, sir.
is
I'm
20 to
not
60
sure.
bytes. IP header is. How many ports are there in network totally?
Source and destination.
Any, how many ports are there in total in number?
65,500.
And what are, can you categorize them? What are well-known ports?
Uh, 0 to 1024 are the priority based,
Okay, okay.
which is
Hmm.
accessible. And rather than this, they are assigned for temporary.
Okay, 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 okay. And your project is hash, okay, Python and Hacker Pro Technologies. You have also have an experience. So, now tell me, like, you have an experience in security itself at Zero Trust Security Solutions, right? So you used to
Yes,
do
sir.
VAPT. What tool you used to use? Nmap.
Nmap not, sir. Worksuit, OAPS app
Huh?
for web
What is the full
application,
form of
and
OWASP?
yes, OAPS is open web application security project.
Okay, and what are the 10 OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities?
Uh, Paying optimal are insecure design, uh,
Okay,
in, and SQL injection.
okay, okay. Just have a go through about it. Okay, what are the types of I know vulnerabilities
Yes.
there? Okay, and so you used to be an VAPT and the rest. Okay, now tell me like your routine. What routine you used to follow in the office, like from your login to your end.
So I didn't join any of this, so I don't have that experience.
So you work there as a virtually, na? So tell me that routine itself.
So okay, sir. That routine was I just log in at 9 or 9:30 and the work till 6:30 or 7 when I was
Hmm?
job of
Uh,
reporting,
so tell me
auditing.
that routine of office. What you used to do after 9:30 to 6:30? What was your steps?
During that office hour.
Yeah, I'm asking about the routine in the office. 9:30 to
So
6:30.
basically, I logged in and I take updates from the seniors. What jobs do I prefer or what do I done for today? Then I took my task and perform them. If I get
Hmm?
difficulties, I ask them. If not, I perform them and
Hmm?
submit them to the seniors and asking them about some changes or that. That's it.
Okay. And hmm, okay. Do you have an idea of sandbox? Why sandbox are used? What is
Sandboxing is
sandboxing?
used. Yes, sandboxing used to prioritize the testing because it isolates the testing environment and does not affect the host or the environment which is running forward. It runs
Okay,
as an
so
isolated environment.
hmm, what are the types of testing method we have?
Testing is white box, black box, and gray box.
Okay, do you have idea of SAST and DAST? SST, DST?
SAST is static
Uh,
application security testing, and last is
okay.
dynamic application security testing.
Which one is black box?
Black box is dynamic.
Right, and SAST is white box.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So and your project is also good. DevOps. Can we shall we move to DevOps now?
Okay, sir.
So like why we have DevOps, like, and why it is used?
1 minute, sir.
So
Nine? Nine. Okay, sir. Come.
we have DevOps.
Yes, sir. So DevOps, the need of DevOps is the continuous integration and continuous deployment on a single pipeline. So before DevOps, every means of every system is operating at itself at their level, and developer and testers and other team is also at their end. But after DevOps, they are working on the same environment on the same pipeline, so they have
Mhm.
better communication with each other.
Okay. And we have DevOps also. In that DevOps, we have Jenkins. What are the alternative to Jenkins?
Chef and puppet.
No, Vani, Puppet is something else, no?
Sorry,
Why
sir.
Puppet is used?
Uh,
Okay,
I
what is
think
Terraform?
Terraform is for infrastructure configurations, right? Infrastructure implementation.
Come again, come again. You speak very fast, I think.
So
Mhm.
Terraform is basically used for
Mhm.
Terraform uh, infrastructure enforcement and infrastructure
Okay,
configurations
okay, okay.
to
Acha,
deploy
now
an
tell me like,
infrastructure.
okay. Now tell me about the routing protocols which are used and which is the most widely used routing protocol.
Routing protocols are
Hmm?
RIP, static, OSPF,
Huh?
and EGIP and BGP.
What is administrative distance in that and what does it tell?
So admin distance typically defines that how many maximum hop counts or the maximum distance it can take to deliver the
So
packet.
if administrative distance is less, if we have two path, A path, B path,
Yes,
if AD
yes,
path A has the less AD and then the path B,
yes.
which packet will choose which packet which path?
The path which have less ID value.
Okay, why? Because it is trusted path, right?
Yes.
Okay. And what is the backbone area in the OSPF?
Backbone area in the
OSPF.
uh, backbone area is the area zero.
Hmm. And why it is called backbone area?
So basically, the it is act as the main pipe of the area, and the
Hmm.
or other areas traffic it can consume, and the main traffic goes from the area zero.
Okay, all the areas are connected to the area zero.
The area zero is
Hmm. Okay. And now tell me, like in IP tables, we have five types of table. What are they?
draw, mangle,
Hmm.
slat, and
Hmm.
filter, and these are the
Hmm.
default tables, and one is not default is the security. Fifth one.
Okay, and why mangle table is used?
Mangle is for
Hmm.
updating the TCP header, TCP or
And
packet headers.
okay, uh, header information basically, right?
Yes, yes, sorry.
And And we have why raw table is used in.
Raw table, I think, to change the payload data.
Hmm. Yeah. And basically, their raw table is used. They are exempt from the connection tracking.
Yes, yes, sorry, sorry.
Hmm. And which one is default?
Default table,
Filter is default table.
Mangle
What is okay? Right. Nee, filter is okay. Now tell me about the source side and DNAT.
source, net, and
DNAT.
goodness about that.
Source NAT, destination NAT. Hmm? Okay, no issue.
Yeah, goodness.
What are the types of VPN?
VPN is site-to-site VPN, remote access, and host local.
Okay, what is full VPN and half VPN?
Full VPN as full traffic goes through the VPN, and half VPN is some of the traffic are not goes to the VPN, and other the remaining traffic goes from the VPN.
So, like when you were working, you used to connect VPN at your office virtually.
At that location we are working, not it is
Hmm?
not required. When we have connecting remote access, it is required to
Uh,
connect the wireless.
so, so when you're taking the remote access, what type of VPN? What is full VPN or half VPN?
Full VPN, tunnel mode.
Why?
So it provides encryption for entire packet.
And like, where you be able to access the other site, internet,
Sorry, sir.
other sites? Uh, in basically, in full VPN, can we use the internet, or can we use the other side basically rather than the internet? If I say,
So it is depending upon configurations of
okay, now tell me about the IPsec. Like, what are the six messages in IPsec?
this.
Six
I,
messages,
I,
yeah.
I, I don't know, sir, about messages.
No issue, no issue. Okay, and what are the types of like we have two types of protocol in IPsec. What are they? Two modes.
Authentication header and encapsulation security payload.
Why ESP and AH are used?
Authentication
What
is
does
used.
AH provides? What does ESP provide?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Authentication header provides the authentication of header and integration by using hash function,
Hmm?
and encapsulated
Hmm?
security payload provides encryption and encryption for the payload.
And who does provide the authentication?
Authentication header.
Okay. Hmm. ठीक है. Hmm. I think you are good. It is good. I think interview is good, है ना? Aniket?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So let's end it now.
Okay, okay, no.
Sir, any
Hmm.
reviews about and what areas
You're
I
you're
can improve
you're
myself?
totally good. I think you speak very fast. I think sometimes, but while
Uh,
everything is good.
okay,
Or
sir.
I think
And
this might
other
be a
than this,
technical problem also. Like I might be
uh,
hearing you with some lag. है ना?
okay, okay, sir.
Hmm.
Uh,
Uh,
means I can speak little slow rather than
hmm.
speaking fast, and
Yeah.
rather than technical knowledge in technical six feet, what I can
So I
improve
think
myself.
better. It will be good like if you give the real life examples.
Okay, in the explanation.
Like if I asked you about the VPN, you could have used the Office VPN example.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So real life examples plays a very important role.
Okay,
And
sir.
while everything is okay, good.
Okay, sir.
And
Thank you.
read about that OWASP top 10, source net, DNAT.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir. I definitely
These are the basic
do
terms.
think.
है ना?
बेसिक कंसेप्ट क्लियर कर
Okay.
लो.
Is basic concepts are mostly clear. I think as of now you might not be able to recall. No issue, है ना? Just have a revision.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. है ना?
Okay,
Okay. Thank you.
okay. You
Thank you,
can
sir.
leave.
Have a nice day.
झालं